you jump? Can you show Grandpa and Grandma how you jump? Yeah! Yeah! Good job! And there's Minka. Let's get your face over here. Yay! Good job, bud. Good job. Can you bounce some more? Can you bounce some more? Yay! Good job. Minka wants to play with you too. Yeah. Good job. Say hi, Grandpa and Grandma.